Hey everybody, this is Kirby Chan from Kirby Chan & Co. Today I'm so excited to bring you on a tour of 59 William Curtis Circle here in Newmarket. This is a fully renovated townhome that's in an amazing location. It's just a 5-minute drive to all the amenities in downtown Newmarket and 5 minutes from the Highway 404. One of the main reasons families choose to live in this neighborhood is because of the great schools. These high-ranking schools were rated by the Fraser Institute. Bogart Public School gets 8.1 out of 10, and Newmarket High gets 8.3 out of 10. Are you guys ready to go inside and see this renovated townhome? When you go in, you're going to see the best part is the backyard. This home is backing onto an open space, so there's no neighbors back there. It's nature. You're going to love it. The practical floor plan was designed for maximum use of space. Come home after a hard day's work and pull into your garage. Walk in the direct garage access and come into a mudroom and laundry room with full-size stackable washer and dryer. Take your jacket and shoes off and walk into your newly renovated basement finished with laminate floors and hardwood staircase. This basement comes with extra cabinet space that can be used as a dry bar or extra storage space. The large eat-in kitchen is well designed for functionality. The center island creates an intimate setting for two, and is perfect for those quick on-the-go meals. The living and dining room area makes for an easy transition from having your family dinner to watching a movie with the kids. Spend your summers on the patio having a barbecue with a built-in gas line so you never have to worry about propane tanks. Enjoy the beautiful views of your garden with a treed backyard. Backing onto nature, you can enjoy privacy with no neighbors behind you. You just have to relax and roast some marshmallows in the fire pit. This is like a cottage in your backyard. Up the beautiful oak staircase, the second floor has 3 well-sized bedrooms and a bathroom. The bedrooms have ample closet space to fit all your clothes in an organized manner. So what did you think about this home? I know it's amazing, right? A townhouse with this nature behind you, with this privacy. You want to come see this home in person. Give us a call, book a private showing at 416-305-8008. Our email, info@kirbychan.com. This is Kirby Chan from Kirby Chan & Co. and I'm so proud to present to you 59 William Curtis Circle in Newmarket.